Hello friends, how are you all doing today? Today in this video, we're going to talk about a concept that all of us see all the time. Yes, we're going to talk about time and clocks. Now just imagine, what if these clocks were not there? How would you come to know when your school bus would come? Or say when your favorite TV show starts? Or when your favorite football team's match would start? Wouldn't that be a great problem? All of us know that we cannot live without these clocks. But do you know how these clocks came into existence? Let's see. The oldest form of timekeeping devices known to us are sundials. And the oldest sundials are known as obelisks. These were designed by the ancient Egyptians almost 5,000 years ago. These sundials were nothing but structures which stood against the sun and cast a shadow on the ground. The movement of this shadow and its length would determine time. But obviously, these devices had a lot of limitations, like they would never work during night or even on cloudy days. And this led to the invention of other new devices like candles and incense sticks that would burn at a predetermined rate to measure time. Also, hourglasses came into existence. Hourglasses work on the concept of passage of sand through a tiny hole at a determined rate that would measure time. And then in the 13th century came the mechanical clocks. Mechanical clocks work on the concept of movement of a pendulum or the vibration of a quartz crystal. Today, time is measured as a continuous flow of seconds and it is called the International Atomic Time. This was a brief history of the timekeeping devices. Now, let's talk about the clocks from an exam perspective. On screen, you can see a mechanical clock with two hands. The smaller one is known as the hour hand and the bigger one is known as the minute hand. Now, let's talk about their movements and the angles that they cover in 1 minute. So, let's first talk about the hour hand, the smaller one. How much time does the hour hand take to complete one revolution? Some of the students think 24 hours, but no, it actually takes 12 hours to complete one revolution. And as all of us know that one revolution around a circle is always 360 degrees. So the hour hand covers 360 degrees in 12 hours. So it would cover in 1 hour 360 by 12, that is 30 degrees. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So it covers 30 degrees in 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, it would cover 30 divided by 60, that is half a degree. Now that's a takeaway. Next, let's talk about the minute hand. The minute hand covers one revolution in 60 minutes, 1 hour. So in 60 minutes, it covers 360 degrees. In 1 minute, it would cover 360 divided by 60, that is 6 degrees. So the key points, the key concepts that we've learned here are the hour hand covers half a degree per minute and the minute hand covers 6 degrees per minute. Concept number 2, let's talk about angles in a clock. Now all of us know that the total angle in a clock is 360 degrees and a clock is divided into 12 sectors, something like this. So the angle covered by each sector would be 360 divided by 12, that is 30 degrees. So we can say that when the hand of a clock moves from 12 to 1, it covers 30 degrees. From 1 to 2, it would cover another 30 degrees and so on. So if a hand moves from 12 to 3, it covers 3 sectors. So the angle would be 3 into 30, that is 90 degrees. Similarly, when it moves from say 12 to 6, it covers 6 sectors, so the total angle covered is 180 degrees.